Hey guys, it's Matty Mac here. I've been asked a little bit about this one of the affiliate training programs that is going around, the 12-minute affiliate, which is a Clickbank product. So I thought I would jump in and buy it and have a look at it and give it a bit of a review and see if I can explain it to you. So I jumped on. There's a sales video here, tells you all about the program. It doesn't really tell you exactly how it works, but it kind of gets you all warmed up for it. But it does tell you it's an affiliate marketing system, and it's a sort of everything set in place for you. So it's just fill in a couple of details, press a few buttons, and it'll create a funnel for you in your niche, and you'll see money popping out the other side magically. Now, it's not quite that simple, of course, but I'll just give you a bit of a rundown on how it works. So it doesn't tell you much here, so I had to buy the program and go in, which I'll show you. Once you do purchase a program, you get access. This is how it works. So it's very straightforward. Just follow the bouncing ball, which is great. Getting started, your step-by-step instructions. Now, there are a couple of upsells in here, some coaching. You can buy some extra coaching if you want. You can buy some other niches and duplicate the system. So there's a few little upsells in there. The program itself, I didn't tell you, it is a month-by-month system. So they hit me up for it was about $18 Australian first, which is about 12 or 13 bucks US. That's for 2 weeks. And then you'll roll into a monthly payment of about it cost me about $78 Australian, which is about 55 US dollars at the moment per month. So that's what this system is going to cost me now. Theoretically, you can start making some money, and that'll pay for itself, hopefully. And if you do it right, I have no doubt that it would actually pay for itself. So I'll just keep going here. I wrote a little diagram about what it looks like. So as an overview, this is kind of what it's going to look like. This is the program here that you buy. So of course they make a little bit of money when you buy the program. There's going to be some pre-purchase traffic. So they're going to, rather than you go out and get traffic, they're going to throw some traffic at you, like solo ads, Udemy, that sort of thing. Now they're going to make some money off that because they're going to be the affiliates for the traffic that you buy. It's going to send through. They're going to create an opt-in page for you, which is what you should be doing with any affiliate offer. Is you should be grabbing leads, and that allows you to retarget. They're going to set you up with an email responder if you don't already have one. They're going to use Aweber. I use GetResponse myself, but it's same thing. And of course, if you don't already have one, they're going to send you a link, and they're an affiliate for Aweber as well. So they're going to take a small commission for that. So everything, of course, is about making a little bit of money along the way. And then, so once they give you the traffic, they opt in and they send you on whatever your chosen niche is. It's probably make money online. They're going to choose a bunch of offers for you, or you can choose your own, put them in a line in succession, and the autoresponder will automatically send out emails and promote those links for you. So pretty straightforward. Buy the program, buy the traffic that they suggest. The traffic will be sent to your opt-in page, go on your list, and then your list will automatically send out an email to a bunch of different affiliate offers. That's pretty much how it works. So once you go into the system for the very first time, they say you can have it up and running before you go to bed. It's pretty quick and easy. Go through and set up a Clickbank account if you haven't already got one, an autoresponder if you haven't already got one. Set it up, import. They've already got some set emails already written. Import them into your account. Activate your funnel, they call it. And then if you want to upgrade to, they'll say, we'll send triple the business if you pay this amount. So if you wanted to do that, and a few other things, and then you hit go and go to bed. and theoretically in the morning there's sales in your Clickbank account. Now, it's pretty straightforward, and if you are a complete beginner, I would say jump in, give it a go. It's not overly expensive. Um, say it was $50 or $75 a month might cost you. Give it a go. Just follow the bouncing ball, exactly what they say. I probably wouldn't worry about the upgrades at the moment. Just keep it as simple as possible. Later on, as you get more experience, you'll understand a little bit more about how it goes. But if you really want to just get your feet wet and you don't know where you're going with it, and you want to try it, I'd say go ahead, set it up, and see how you go with it. If the traffic that they get for you is good traffic, and they are in the right niche, then you should make sales pretty quickly, and it should be enough to cover all your costs on this program. And you'll learn a lot on the way. So you'll learn how it all works, setting up funnels, setting up autoresponders. So it's pretty good. So I'd say go ahead and give it a go. If you think you know a little bit more, or you want to try it a different way, I would go about it slightly differently. So I'll leave my link down below if you want to check out the way I do it. There's some sort of free tutorials in there. Check it out the way I set up my business. But otherwise, give it a go, and let us know how you. Make sure you contact me and let us know how you go with it. I want to, if it's successful, if people are having success with it, if people are not having any success with it, I'd love to know. I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to follow the bouncing ball, as they say, and as I go along, I'll give you guys updates as well. So good luck with it.